Good morning, everyone. This is your computer period, and today we are going to take up the lesson 1, that is computer and electronic device. I had sent you the link um, earlier also, and the exercises were also given, that means question answers. But today I will explain the chapter a bit. We will take up the chapter whenever the school will reopen also. So, in short, I will explain you about the concepts discussed in the chapter. So, first is we can see many electronic machines around us. So, the first question that arises is, what do you mean by electronic? Electronic machines means the machines which need electricity for running. There are various other machines also that do not need electricity. But here we are talking about electronic machines. Like at this point, you can ask your child for some machines which need electricity for running, and they will answer you. Similarly, like those machines, that means television, CD player, washing machine, etc. Computer is also an electronic machine. Means computer also needs electricity to perform its functioning. It is used for performing different tasks. You can ask your child at this point what all tasks they have seen for which computers are being used. Like they must have seen computers in malls, in school, for entertainment purpose, etc. etc. So let the answers come from them. Otherwise, you can tell that it is used for playing games, for watching movies, for sending and receiving messages, for drawing pictures, and for solving sums. Next is features of computer. What are the features, characteristics of computer? First is it never gets tired. You can ask your child whether we do get tired or not, and they should be able to answer it. And then tell that computer never gets tired because it is a machine and it can work continuously for hours, and it can work like it can do same task again and again. Next is computer is very fast at work. We also do some work very fast, but for various works our speed is not that much as it is of computers, like for performing big calculations or for typing various for printing various documents. Like this way we can say that computer is a very fast machine. Computer never commits a mistake. Computer never commits a mistake means since it is a machine, so and machines usually don't commit mistakes, so only when we are entering some wrong data in it, it will give us wrong result. But as such, it will never make mistakes. If you want 100 or even 1000 pages of same type by a computer, it will give you same thing. Last, computer performs many functions simultaneously, means at the same time it can be used for doing many things, like it can play music when you are doing some work on that. Even printing can be done at the same time. So it performs many functions at the same time.